Hey guys, welcome back to the Milk and Blush channel. So today we're sharing a Kim Kardashian inspired textured waves tutorial that's super easy and perfect for the summer. To start the look, we clipped in our 24 to 26 inch luxurious set in the shade Good Vibes and Fame or Shame to create Layla's best match. You want to backcomb each section before you clip in your wefts to give them maximum staying power. If you need a tutorial on clipping in your set, then click the I in the corner now. For this look, you'll need to create a perfect middle parting using a tail tooth comb. To find your center line, just draw the comb straight up to your hairline from the middle of your nose and push it back. Once you're done, apply some serum to your parting to smooth down any flyaways for a sleek finish. Next, you want to run your hair straighteners down your hair to perfect your parting. This is amazing if you have stubborn baby hairs or flyaways, and it'll make your hair look really shiny. Before heat styling, it's really important to prep your hair with a heat protectant. We love the GHD Heat Protect Spray as it's really lightweight and won't weigh down your strands. To create these textured waves, we use the Cloud9 curling wand, which is one of our favorites. To create a looser curl, you want to wrap a section of hair around the barrel and then gently work it up and down the section before releasing the curl. You don't need to worry about taking even sections for this, as you want it to look really textured and natural rather than perfected. As a general rule though, you want to keep the sections on the smaller side to add more body to your hair. And you're done! This is such a gorgeous look and so quick and easy to create. If you love this one, then make sure to subscribe as we've created loads of Kardashian inspired looks using our hair extensions. See you in the next video.